to another exciting episode of How to Do Stuff with Mr. Stevenson. This is episode 21, and today we're going to be talking about another important topic to learn over the summer if this is something you don't know. And this is how to clean up after an activity. And that activity can be just about anything. And so basically it's just how to clean up after yourself. So once again, gather people in. If you need them to learn a new lesson here today, I'm here to teach how to clean up after yourself. So here I located a bit of a mess. As you can see, it looks as if somebody made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, common courtesy and basic human decency says that we should clean up when we're done. There's been stuff that's been left out that has a particular home that you can put it away in. For example, and this cupboard was left open too, not to mention the bread was left out. I can see that the bread goes here, so when you're done making your PB&J, or whatever it is you're making, could be ramen noodles or whatever, the things you were using, you put away when you're done. So, if you're like me, okay, this one doesn't happen to have a tie on it, so you spin it like normal, fold the thing under, put it away, right? That's where it goes. Also, it looks like peanut butter goes up here. So put the cover on the peanut butter nice and tight. Put that away. Jelly should remain refrigerated. That can be put in the refrigerator. And that leaves just a little bit of mess left. The knife can go in the sink or in the dishwasher. And there's just a few crumbs and a jelly splotch left there. That can be cleaned up pretty easily. Demonstrate how that's done now. I have located another spot where there was obvious activity by individuals in my home, and that needs to be cleaned up. So a quick little glance here at what you see before you: some sunflower seeds, a mostly empty water bottle, which we'll talk about in another episode, and some basic garbage and chewed sunflower seeds. Not to mention, over here on the coffee table, an empty bottle, an empty cup. We got problems. So do your part, kids. Clean up. So today's lesson, kids, clean up after yourself. So, as usual, if you have any questions, you know where to find me.